So we are studying. This is class third B. Class third B. Subject GK. Class third B and subject is GK. And say date 9/10/2020. So we are studying today lesson 33. Lesson 33. What is the sound? What is the sound? Lesson 33, 32, 33. So, lesson 33, page number 47. The name of the lesson is what is the sound? What is the sound? In nature, we see that there are many objects. Each object produces a specific type of the sound. We can identify the source which has generated a particular type of this sound. So in this lesson, when we do something, we make sound. When we do something, we make sound. Each sound is known by a name. Each sound is known by a name. Almost every object makes sound when used. Almost every object makes sound when used. So some diagrams are given. Look at the following objects and identify the sounds they make. So see page number 47, and here some objects are given here and different objects and help box is given. So you have to choose the sound from this help box. So first you see the diagram of the bell is given. So first one is bell. What is the name of the sound? What is the name of the sound generated by the ring by the bell? This is called as the ring. So first one is the ring. Ring is the sound generated by the bell. Next one is it is a hammer. It is a special type of hammers. One end of the hammer is used for removing of the nail from the wood, while other end is used for the beating the objects. So it produces a sound. Name of that sound is Cleanser. Cleanser. Now third, when a stone is dropped in the water, it produces a sound. The name of that sound is patter. Name of that sound is patter. And fourth, the sound of the shoes, sound of the boot. We use this term that is called as the crack. And fifth you see, when wind strike with tree, a special sound is generated. The name of that sound is rustle. Now see next question. Number 6 you see. Drum. When drum is beaten, a sound is generated. The name of the sound is called as beat. Beat. And 7, when the paper is turned with the help of the air, with the help of the wind, the name of the sound is crinkle. And 8, the sound of a bunch of the keys. The sound of bunch of the keys. Name is given as jingle. The 9th, the sound, name of the sound, when a door is opened or the closed, this is called as bang. Bang, bang is the name of the sound which is generated when a door is opened or closed. So once again we can see, first, that is the name of the sound of the bell is ring. Second one is the name of the sound of a hammer is plunger. And when a stone is dropped in the water, the sound generated is called as the patter. And fourth, the sound of the shoes, sound of the boot is called as the crack. And fifth, you see, when wind strikes with the tree, the sound is named as rustle. And drum, name of the sound generated by the drum is beat. And seventh, you see, the sound of the turning paper is called the crinkle, and the sound of the bunch of the keys is called a jingle, and the sound of opening or the closing door is called the bang. So that's all. That's part of it only.